So today I want to show you how to check your priority date on the Visa Bulletin. This is something you should be doing at least every few months. Sometimes there isn't a big change from one month to the next, but oftentimes there could be, and you may miss that important window to submit either your DS-260 to the consulate, the National Visa Center, or to submit your adjustment of status to immigration, depending on where you're processing the final stage of your residency. So this is the site you should be going to. This is Department of State Visa Bulletin. See here we have April and May. So we want to already look to May. Each month around the 15th of the month, the new Visa Bulletin comes out. So if we're looking at, say, employment base, which is what I want to focus on in this particular video, if that's been a change in the last few months, we want to look at the employment. We want to scroll down. First, it's the family chart, and then you have the employment-based preferences. So depending on your category, you'll see here that there are the definitions. You would already know that. And if you don't, look at your I-130 approval, I-140 approval rather, and see the category that you are under. So you will see here that if we are third preference, right? Third preference employment-based residency, meaning that you've already filed a labor certification and you have an I-140 pending or approved, you would be checking here to see when your priority date is current and when you can move on to the final stage of residency. So you can see here that the third preference category is in 2022 now. It's June 2022. So if your priority date is on or before that, you can now proceed to the final phase of residency. So this is important because we have been seeing a shift and a delay, retrogression in these numbers, and only Congress can move these numbers forward. No one can move them forward. There is no premium processing or anything we can do to expedite the second phase of the green card process. So it's real important to check, because if you don't and you just leave this out there, immigration, the National Visa Center, the consulate will not notify you. We have had clients have their cases terminated after waiting so many years to be approved and to continue on to the final stage of residency, only to find out later that their petitions were terminated for lack of action. So please don't let that happen to you. Check the Visa Bulletin every month. Definitions are there as to what category you may be under. So you can see China, India, Mexico, Philippines have a much further waiting period. Other countries, you just look here to the employment base and all chargeability to those other countries. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, drop your comments below or questions below. Thank you.